Take a rain check. This means to postpone an invitation or an offer to a later date, often due to current unavailability or inconvenience. The term originated in the late 19th century from the American sport of baseball, where spectators received a rain check if a game was postponed due to rain, allowing them to attend a rescheduled game. It has since become a common way to politely decline an invitation with the intention of rescheduling. It is most commonly used in American English. For example, I can't make it tonight, but can I take a rain check? Or, let's take a rain check on that coffee. I'm swamped with work.